How to fix can't send this media on WhatsApp. Here are some ways on how to fix this issue. First is to make sure that you have an active internet connection with a strong signal. So to do this, just open any browsing application that you have and then open a web page. So if having a good internet connection is not a problem, then make sure that your phone's date and time are set correctly. So just head over to your settings application, scroll down until you find General Management. Then select date and time, and then turn off the automatic date and time setting. So now you can manually adjust the date and time yourself. But if this is not the issue, then make sure that your application has been updated to its latest version. So to check this, just go to Play Store or App Store and then search for WhatsApp. So if you find this update button, that means that your application has not been updated. So just click the update button to start updating. But if this still did not work, then what you can do is to restart your device. But if restarting your device still did not fix the issue, confirm that your phone has the latest version of its operating system. To check this, just go to Settings, scroll down until you find Software Update. Select this and see whether Download and Install Settings is available. And so those are the ways on how to fix can't send this media on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.